In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display due date on a Jira board. If you want your due date to appear clearly on a Jira issue from the board view, the process is very simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to update the due date directly from a task card so it becomes visible and useful while managing your work. To begin, open your Jira board and locate the task you want to update. From the board, click on the task to open its issue details. This is the quickest way to access the fields connected to that specific item without leaving your workflow for too long. Once the task opens, you'll be able to review the issue information in more detail, including scheduling related fields like the due date. After opening the task, find the due date field. In this field, you'll see the current date if one has already been assigned. Click on that current date to open the date selector. From there, choose a new due date that matches your timeline or deadline. This step is important because the due date helps your team understand when the issue is expected to be completed and makes planning much easier when reviewing items on the board. As you select the new date, make sure you choose the correct deadline based on your project needs. Keeping due dates accurate can improve visibility, help with prioritization, and reduce confusion across the team. If you're working in a fast-moving sprint or shared board, even a small update like this can make issue tracking much more effective. Once the new date is selected, Jira will update the task with that due date. At that point, the issue now has a due date attached to it, which supports better organization and makes timelines easier to manage from the board. If you don't immediately notice the change on the board itself, give the interface a moment to refresh or click away, and return to the issue to confirm the update has been saved. That's all it takes. Just open the task, click the current due date, and select the new one. It's a quick adjustment, but it can make a big difference in keeping your board clear, current, and easier for everyone to follow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.